What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. Hope you're all doing good today. This is the package that I was expecting before. The RAM kit from Kingston. Everything is working fine. I requested for them to test the memory kit before they sent to me. They did it. Mem test, everything done. Send it on the email. Everything works fine. He told me that he would be opening the package, as you can see here. I mean, it's working. I'm not gonna complain. Using my 64GB, extremely happy. We're gonna be swapping out our GPU as well. Gonna say goodbye to this 3070 Ti. Boost clock was around 2130 MHz while gaming. Very impressive card, very quiet, very beautiful card. We're gonna swap to 3060 Ti from Aorus Elite. I was curious how come this model was so expensive. I guess it's RGB, and from what I see, the boost clock is extremely impressive when I compare to EVGA one. It destroys EVGA one, but then again we're talking €200 extra, which is insane. It's like in 3070 territory price range. As you see, I'm cleaning the card here. This is gonna go to a miner. God damn, these cards are so expensive. Let's compare the size of it. Miners are drooling on these cards. By the way, I had problem removing the card, so I had to use a sushi stick. Because these cards are so massive that they block that little plastic that you're supposed to press. Let's take out that box out and install our GPU. There we go. It's like a brick. Massive card also. I will be showing the RGB effect of this card on another video as well. Look at the size difference. Let's remove the protective shield and install the card. Very simple job. It looks good. I like it. That's what I've been doing. Installing the new RAM, swapping GPUs. And the retarded Gabby is smiling here. There we go. In order for card not to sag, I'm using this support bracket. It looks nice now. I want to install something else also, so I can have the card facing towards with the fan against the tempered glass. That would look even more cool. So that's something I need to do myself. And don't forget to install your DisplayPort cable. It's a short update of what I was doing in the studio. I'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Take care of yourselves. Let's go.